It's okay. I've got you.
I won't hurt you.
I have you. I have you.
Mom! Mom!
Anna, what happened? What happened? What is that?
I found it! On the sidewalk! It can't fly!
What is going on?
I found a bird. Its wing is hurt.
What did I miss?
Jack, be quiet. You'll scare it.
The wing. It's the right wing.
It's hurt, not badly. I think we can help.
Okay. What do we need?
Will it be okay?
Yes, I think so. We will try.
I have an idea. Follow me.
Can I touch?
No! Be careful! That's it. Good. Good. Is it okay in the box?
We are getting it ready. Just a little more. A little softer. Press it down.
Like this?
I found something to make it comfortable.
Press it gently, just like that.
Like this, Mom?
Nice and slow.
Go on, Pip. It's safe. Look, it's watching the water.
It needs the right food.
Popcorn! Birds eat popcorn.
Do they, Jack?
Sunflower seeds. Small ones. These are good.
It won't eat. Why won't it eat?
It is scared, Anna. When we are scared, we don't eat.
When something is hurt, it needs quiet. Can you be quiet?
I can try.
Here. The lower joint. See how it sits.
Is it bad?
I think it is a sprain. Not broken, but it needs rest.
Okay. How long?
Will it be okay? Will Pip be okay?
I don't know. But we will do everything we can.
He chirped. He chirped. You're okay. You're still here.
Maybe this will cheer him up.
Jack, no, put that away.
No, stop. You'll scare it.
I was just trying to help.
Are you worried, Anna?
It still won't eat. When you were sick, did you eat right away?
I got something. Soft fruit. Let's try.
Let me try. I can do it.
Not now, Jack. Watch.
Pip, Pip. Shh, I'm here. It's okay. Jack, you moved too fast.
You frightened it. That wasn't good. Now you know. I'm sorry, Anna. I'm sorry, Pip.
Just be careful next time. This is good for him.
For both of them.
I'll be gentle. I promise. Every time.
Someone is at the door. Cindy, thank you for coming.
Of course. How is our little patient?
This is Pip.
Hello, Pip. Let me take a look at you. I brought a book about birds. It can help us understand. Let's learn about birds. This is the wing, and here, this is where it can be hurt.
Like Pip's wing? Right here?
Bones need time. Small bones, sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes more.
I see. So we just need to wait.
Ooh, I have a question.
Yes, Jack.
Does it hurt when the bone heals?
It might feel uncomfortable, but it gets better each day.
So it just needs time? Just time to heal?
Exactly, Anna. Time and peace and love. Very soft, smaller than a pea, no seeds inside.
I see. Much easier.
He's eating! He's eating!
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, thank goodness.
Miss Cindy, how do you be patient?
You breathe, you watch, you wait. Keep reading. Keep caring. You're doing everything right.
Thank you, Miss Cindy. The wing! It moved! It moved! He's standing on me.
Not too cold, not too warm.
The living room table, near the lamp. He should sleep in my room. I'll hear him if something happens.
The living room is warm and quiet. That is the best place for Pip.
Okay. Good night, Pip. I'll see you in the morning.
Good night. I'll be better tomorrow. I promise.
Mom, he's not moving. He won't wake up. Is he okay? Is he alive?
He is breathing. He is sleeping, Anna.
He is okay, Anna. He is resting, just like we rest.
What happened? Anna?
We have done everything right. Now we give Pip time.
You need to eat too, Anna.
Dad, what if he doesn't wake up?
I don't know, Jack, but Pip knows we are here.
I made you some tea.
Anna, do you know what love looks like? What does it look like?
It looks like staying. Even when we are scared.
We did everything right, Anna. We gave him everything he needed.
But what if it's not enough?
Then we know we loved. That is always enough.
Now we wait. And we believe.
I hope Pip sees his friend soon.
A bird's wing has the same bones as a human arm. 3 sections. Good morning, Pep. Come quickly. Come see. He's flying.
I'm first! Yes!
Oh, look at him.
Is it time? Can we take him outside?
So his feet can hold on. Like that.
Come on, Pip. It's time. There it is. Your world.
He came back. That means he trusts you.
You did it, Anna.
We did it! All of us!
Some things take time, and that is okay.
Patience is a kind of love.
I will be more patient next time.
What did we learn this week?
Be gentle, be patient.
Love means staying. Have you ever helped an animal? What did you do?
Tell us in the comments.